Hello, I am here to see the dogs.
Hello, welcome to our shelter. My name is Jake.
Hi, Jake. I am Sophia. I am a bit nervous today.
Don't be nervous. It is a very happy place.
I live alone in a small apartment. Is that okay?
Yes, many dogs love small apartments. They just need walks.
I have never had a dog before. This is my first time.
That is wonderful. I can show you our best friends.
What kind of dogs do you have now?
We have small puppies and big old dogs. Every dog is unique.
I want a dog that is calm. I read a lot of books.
That is good information. Calm dogs are very popular here.
Is the shelter very busy today? I see many people.
It is a Saturday morning. Many families come to visit us.
Do I need to sign any papers first?
You can sign them later. Let's find your friend first.
I like your lavender hoodie. It is a nice color.
Thank you, Sophia. It is our official shelter uniform.
How long have you worked here? You look very young.
I have been a volunteer for 3 years. I love it here.
That is a long time. You must know every dog.
I do. They are like my family.
Do they have names or just numbers?
They all have names. We give them names on the first day.
That is very sweet. It makes them feel real.
Exactly. Every dog deserves a name and a home.
I agree with you. I want to help a dog.
Then follow me. The dog rooms are this way.
Okay, I am ready to meet them.
Let's go. Stay close to me. This is our room for small puppies.
Oh my, they are so small and fluffy.
Yes, they are only 2 months old. They play all day.
Look at the white one. It is jumping very high.
That is Sparky. He has a lot of energy.
He is cute, but maybe too fast for me.
Puppies need a lot of training. Do you have time for that?
I work from home, but I need to focus on my work.
Then a puppy might be difficult. They cry a lot at night.
I didn't know that. I need my sleep.
They are like babies. They need food every 4 hours.
That is a lot of work. I am a beginner.
Maybe an adult dog is better. They are more relaxed.
I think you are right. Let's look at the older dogs.
Look at this little brown puppy. Her name is Bella.
She's very quiet. Why is she in the corner?
She's a bit shy. She needs a very gentle person.
I am gentle, but I want a dog for walks.
Bella likes walks, but she's afraid of loud cars.
My street is very busy. There are many big trucks.
Then Bella's not the best choice. She will be scared.
It is hard to choose. They are all so beautiful.
Don't worry, Sophia. We will find the right one.
What is in the next room? I hear a big bark.
Those are our medium-sized dogs. They are very friendly.
Is a medium dog okay for an apartment?
Yes, if you go to the park every day.
I live near a big park. It has a dog area.
That is perfect. Let's go and see them now.
Okay, I'm excited to see more.
This is Max. He is a golden retriever.
He is very big, and his fur is so yellow.
Max is 5 years old. He is very well trained.
Hello, Max. Can I touch your head?
Yes, he loves people. He is very soft.
You are right. His fur feels like a warm blanket.
Max knows how to sit, and he knows how to stay.
That is amazing. He is very polite.
He was with a family before, but they moved to another country.
That is so sad. He must miss them.
He was sad for a week, but now he is happy again.
He is looking at me with big eyes. Is he hungry?
No, he just wants a friend. He likes attention.
Does he bark a lot? My neighbors like silence.
Max only barks when he sees a cat. Otherwise, he is quiet.
I don't have a cat, so that is not a problem.
He is a very loyal dog. He will follow you everywhere.
I like that. I want a companion for my walks.
Do you want to try the leash? You can walk him.
Yes, please. I want to see if he is strong.
Here's the leash. Hold it with both hands.
Oh, he is very strong, but he is walking slowly.
He is waiting for you. He is a very smart dog.
I feel very comfortable with him. He is like a giant teddy bear.
Many people love Max, but he needs a special home.
What kind of home? I want to be special.
He needs someone who is home often. He doesn't like being alone.
I work at my desk all day. Max can sit under the table.
That sounds like a perfect life for him.
Let's go to the play area. I want to see him run.
This is our outdoor garden. The dogs love the grass.
It is very beautiful here. The sun feels warm.
I will let Max off the leash. Watch him run.
Look at him go. He is very fast for a big dog.
He loves this yellow ball. Can you throw it for him?
Yes. Here, Max. Catch the ball.
He caught it in the air. That was very cool. He is very athletic. He needs 30 minutes of play every day.
I can do that. It is good for my health, too.
Exactly. A dog keeps you active and happy.
He is bringing the ball back to me. He is so proud.
He wants you to throw it again. He never gets tired.
There. Run, Max. Run.
You are a very good teacher, Sophia.
Thank you. I feel very happy right now.
Max is smiling. Did you know dogs can smile?
I can see it. His mouth is open and his tongue is out.
That is a happy dog face. He likes you a lot.
I like him too. He's very special.
Do you want to see any other dogs or just Max?
I think Max is the one, but I am still thinking.
It is a big decision. Take your time and breathe.
Can I sit on the grass with him?
Of course. Sit down. He will come to you.
He is putting his head on my lap. This is so sweet.
That means he trusts you. He has chosen you, Sophia.
I feel it too. My heart is very warm.
Let's go inside and talk about the details.
Okay, Max, come with us.
He is following you. He doesn't need the leash. Let's sit here. This is the information desk.
Okay, what do I need to know about Max?
First, his health. He has all his vaccinations.
That is good. Does he need a doctor soon?
He needs a checkup once a year. That is all.
And what about his food? What does he eat?
He eats dry food twice a day, morning and evening.
Is it expensive? I want to buy the best food.
Good food is important. It keeps his fur shiny.
I will go to the pet shop today. I need a list.
I have a list for you. It has everything you need.
Thank you, Jake. You are very organized.
We want our dogs to be safe. We care about them.
I see a medical book here. Is this Max's book?
Yes, it has his history and his birthday.
When is his birthday? I want to have a party.
His birthday is May 10th. He will be 6 next year.
That is a great date. I love May.
Now, about the rules. You must keep him on a leash in the city.
Yes, I know. Safety is the first priority.
And he needs a collar with your phone number.
I will buy a red collar. Red looks good on him.
I agree. It will match his golden fur.
Is there anything else? Any secrets?
He is afraid of thunder. When it rains, stay close to him.
I will. We can watch TV together on the sofa.
That is perfect. He loves the sofa.
Okay, I am ready to sign the papers.
Great. Sign here and here. Now Max is yours.
This is the happiest day of my life.
We have a small shop here. You can buy a collar now.
Oh, that is very convenient. Let's look.
Here is the red collar. It is very strong.
I like it, but look at this blue one.
Blue is nice too. It is like the sky.
Let's try the red one on Max. Max, come here.
It is a bit tight. Let me fix it for you.
There. Now he looks like a king.
He is a very handsome king. He is very proud.
Do you have any toys? I want a new ball.
We have many balls. This one is orange and it floats.
Floats? Can Max swim?
Yes, retrievers love the water. They are great swimmers.
I will take him to the lake in the summer.
That is a great idea. He will be so happy.
I also need a bed, a very big, soft bed.
We have this gray one. It is very fluffy.
It looks very comfortable. I want to sleep in it too.
Max will have to share it with you.
How much is the total for the collar, ball, and bed?
It is $50. All the money goes to the shelter.
That is good. I am happy to help the other dogs.
Thank you, Sophia. You have a big heart.
I am just so happy to have Max.
Do you have a car or do you need a taxi?
I have my car in the parking lot.
I will help you carry the bed. It is very large.
Thank you. You are a very kind volunteer.
It is my pleasure. I am happy for Max.
Let's go to the car.
We are in the office now. Here is your copy of the papers.
Thank you. I will keep them in a safe place.
Max is waiting by the door. He knows he is going home.
He is a very smart dog. He understands everything.
I want to say goodbye to him. Max, come here, buddy.
He is licking your face. He loves you, Jake.
I will miss him. He was my favorite dog here.
You can visit us. We live very near.
Really? I would love to see him in his new home.
Yes, please come for coffee next Sunday.
That is very nice of you. I will bring some dog treats.
Max will love that. He is a very hungry boy.
He is. Give him a treat when you get home.
I have the bag of treats in my hand.
You are ready for everything. You will be a great owner.
I am still a bit worried, but I am ready to learn.
If you have questions, just call me. My number's on the card.
Thank you, Jake. That is very helpful.
Max is lucky to have you. He has a real family now.
I am the lucky one. I was so lonely.
Now you have a friend who will never leave you.
We will be very happy together.
I can see it in your eyes. It's a perfect match.
Look at his tail. It is wagging so fast.
That is the happiest tail in the world.
Let's go, Max. Your new life starts now.
I will help you with the bed to the car.
Okay, let's walk together.
Watch the door. It is a bit heavy.
I have it. Thank you.
Here is your car. The trunk is open.
I will put the bed in the back seat.
There. It fits perfectly. Max has a lot of space.
Max, jump in. Good boy.
He is sitting very nicely. He is a good traveler.
I am putting his leash on the seatbelt.
That is very safe. You are a natural dog mom.
Smiling. Dog Mom. I like that name.
Look at the sky. The sunset is so beautiful today.
It is orange and purple. It is a sign of a good day.
I agree. It is a new beginning for both of you.
Thank you for all your help today, Jake.
You're very welcome, Sophia. It was a pleasure.
I will send you a photo tonight.
I will wait for it. Have a safe drive home.
I will drive very slowly. Max is my passenger.
Goodbye, Max. Be a good boy for Sophia.
He is looking out the window at you.
He is waving with his eyes.
He really is.
See you next Sunday for that coffee?
Yes, Sunday at 10 o'clock. Don't be late.
I will be there with the dog treats.
Goodbye, Jake. Have a nice evening.
Goodbye, Sophia. Enjoy your first night with Max.